Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn on sync in Google Chrome on your PC or laptop. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is launched and ready, direct your attention to the top right corner of the window. You'll see your profile icon there, which might appear as a circle with a silhouette or your current profile picture. Go ahead and click on this profile icon to open the profile menu. From the drop-down menu that appears, you'll notice an option that says Sign into Chrome. Click on it. This is the first step toward enabling sync, which will allow you to access your bookmarks, passwords, history, and other settings across all your devices where you're signed into Chrome. A new page will open asking you to sign in with your Google account. In the email address field, type in the email associated with your Google account and then click Next. This ensures that Chrome knows which account to link your browsing data to. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your password for that Google account. Go ahead and type it in carefully, then click Next to proceed. Chrome will verify your credentials and prepare to sync your data. Now that you're signed in, you'll need to officially turn on the sync feature. Once again, navigate to the top right corner of your Chrome window and click on your profile icon. This time, you'll see that your account is now connected. In the menu that appears, look for the option that says Turn On and click it. This activates the sync feature, which means Chrome will now start synchronizing your browsing data, including bookmarks, passwords, extensions, and more, across all devices linked to your Google account. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you want to proceed with syncing. Click Yes, I'm in to confirm. This finalizes the process and ensures that all your Chrome data is backed up and accessible wherever you sign in. And that's it. You've successfully turned on sync in Google Chrome, so now your browsing experience will be seamless across all your devices. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.